There's a financial lie that is keeping people broke and wasting our precious time. And it's just terrifying how most people take this lie as an obvious fact without doing any research. They just believe the financial lie so much that they foolishly give their money away to brokers, useless financial advisors, and funds, believing that people they've never met before will obviously do what's best for them, right? Wrong. Listen. Money is a precious asset and the key to the freedom of our future. So what, you're just gonna give it away to some guy in a suit because that's what you've been told to do? Come on! Listen, most people just blindly give away their money to be taken care of by some stranger, not knowing that they can easily do it themselves. And that's the financial myth at work. The financial myth basically says that money is way too complex to understand and that stock trading should be left only to the professionals. And that's just bogus. Truth is, it is absolutely possible to learn profitable stock trading. And we know that because we've seen so many people take full control of their financial education and their own financial destiny. So isn't it time to take our financial future into our own hands? Now, by the way, why do you think brokers and financial advisors need all these degrees and certifications even though we don't need these brokers to trade stocks for us and we can do it by ourselves? Well, they need their degrees simply to show off that they've learned how financial vehicles work and that they understand the laws around selling them. What does that mean? Well, it means that these certifications have nothing to do with being able to actually make money on the financial markets. They're pretty much designed for salesmanship and legal understandings. And they just add a whole lot of complexity to stock trading where there shouldn't be any. I mean, yes, stock trading can be complex, but it certainly doesn't need to be, especially if your goal is to make consistent profits trading stocks. And this is why we created Simple Trades course, which is a free course that will teach you everything you need to know about the stock market from A to Z. When others went through this course, they learned how to handle their own money instead of leaving it up to chance with somebody they've never met before. The person we trust with the most important financial decisions shouldn't be strangers. I mean, who's better to make calls for our future more than ourselves? So click the link and take your life and your future back into your own hands.